Hi everybody, I'm Chad Boonder, also known as the male kindergarten teacher, and today I'm going to share with you some fun turkey ideas that you can do in your classroom. The first activity that I have is a turkey handprint craft. I used yellow, orange, and red paint to make a handprint on this paper, and then while they were waiting for it to dry, they got to color and cut out a turkey body. You're going to add some tape to the back of the turkey body and place it on your poem. This poem says, "This isn't just a turkey, as you can plainly see. I made it with my hand, which is part of me. It comes with lots of love, especially to say, I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving Day." This is something that parents will cherish forever. But another idea that you can do with your classroom just involves simple coffee filters, washable Crayola markers, and a spray bottle. You're going to have your students color with washable markers on the coffee filter and spray it with a spray bottle, and then let it dry. Print out a turkey figurine and have them color it, and then just clip it to it, and it will make a fun little decoration craft. These are just a couple ideas that you can do with your students and as well as with your children. I hope you enjoyed them.